Hey guys, in this video, we are going to compare AutoGen, CrewAI, and LangGraph. AutoGen is an online tool designed to help users quickly generate content using AI, making writing easier for blogs, social media, and marketing. It offers features like AI-powered text creation, templates for different content types, and options to customize tone and style. Using it is simple. You enter a topic or prompt, choose your preferences, and the AI generates content in seconds that you can edit or use directly. Many users appreciate how fast and convenient it is, saying it saves time and sparks ideas, though a few note that some outputs may need tweaking for accuracy or natural flow. On the other side, CrewAI is a website that helps users create content and automate tasks using artificial intelligence, making work faster and easier for writers, marketers, and businesses. It offers features like AI-generated text, templates for social media posts, emails, blogs, and tools to improve writing style and grammar. To use it, you simply enter your topic or prompt, select the type of content you want, and the AI produces ready-to-use text that you can edit or publish. Customers generally like how simple and time-saving it is, praising its helpful suggestions and variety of templates, though some mention that occasionally the content may need small adjustments to make it sound more natural. Meanwhile, LangGraph is a website that helps users visualize and understand language data using AI, making it easier for researchers, students, and writers to analyze text. It offers features like interactive graphs, text analysis tools, keyword mapping, and visual reports that show patterns and relationships in the data. To use it, you upload or input your text, choose the type of analysis or graph you want, and the platform generates visual results that can be explored and shared. Users generally find it intuitive and helpful for understanding complex text, praising its clear visuals and easy-to-use interface, though a few mention that larger datasets can sometimes take longer to process. In my opinion, AutoGen is best for quick content generation. CrewAI is ideal for multi-agent workflow automation, and LangGraph is strongest for graph-based, stateful AI tasks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.